How to start a blog anonymously and still make money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. No face, no real name required. Most people think you need to show your face to build an audience online. A personal brand, a YouTube channel, an Instagram account. They're wrong. There are blogs making thousands of dollars every month and nobody knows who runs them. Anonymous blogging is exactly what it sounds like. No real name published anywhere, no face in photos or videos, no location or personal details, just useful content, a niche, and the right system. And it's a real business earning real income. There are 4 solid reasons to blog anonymously, and none of them are sketchy. Privacy, so your life stays yours. Freedom, so you can write honestly. Job security, so you're protected while still employed. And protection, so trolls can never find you in real life. Once your name is online, it's online forever. An anonymous blog keeps your personal life completely separate from your business. And when nobody knows who you are, you can write what actually works without worrying who's watching. Many bloggers start while they're still employed. Going anonymous protects you during that transition. Finance and business niches attract criticism. If nobody knows who you are, they can't find you in real life. That's a real advantage. Here's the good news. You do not need to reveal your real name, your face, your location, your phone number, or your employer. None of that needs to be public. What you do need is kept completely private. Your audience never sees it. A bank account for payments, a private email address, and tax information for platforms that pay you. Your audience sees the brand. The IRS sees you. Those are 2 completely separate things. Step 1. Create your anonymous brand identity. Pick a pen name or a brand name to blog under. Use it everywhere. Your domain, your email, your author bio, your social accounts. Consistency is everything. You have 2 options. Option A is a pen name, a name that sounds real but isn't yours. Something like Marcus Cole or Sarah Reed. Option B is a brand name, no person attached at all. Wealth diagram, the frugal path, remote income report. Brand names are actually stronger long term because they're not tied to any person. If you ever sell the blog, a brand is easier to transfer. Step 2, register your domain with privacy protection. When you register a domain, your name and address go into a public database called WOIS. Anyone can look it up. That's the first place most anonymous bloggers get exposed. Enable WOIS privacy protection and your information is hidden. Use Namecheap. WOIS privacy is free. Avoid GoDaddy, which charges extra for it. Create a brand email before you register anything. Use Gmail or Proton Mail under your brand name. Never use your personal email for domain registration. Step 3, choose the right platform. WordPress, self-hosted, is the best choice for anonymous blogging. You own everything. No platform can shut you down because they don't like your topic. And WordPress supports every monetization method without taking a cut of your income. Step 4, write content that ranks without revealing who you are. Google doesn't care who you are. It cares whether your post answers the question. Pick a niche where people are already spending money. Write posts that target specific search queries. Specific beats, broad every time. Tips for saving money is too broad. How to save money on groceries with a family of 4 is specific, lower competition, and easier to rank. The more specific your post, the higher the buying intent of the people who find it. Step 5. Monetize without exposing yourself. Every major monetization method works anonymously. Affiliate marketing, digital products, display ads, and an email list. All four can run under your brand name with zero personal identity attached. With affiliate marketing, you sign up under your brand name, put links in your posts, and earn commissions. The company needs your tax ID, but your readers never see any of that. With digital products, sell PDFs, templates, or mini courses on WAP or Gumroad. Both support business names. Display ads through Mediavine or Raptive kick in at around 10,000 monthly visitors. They pay via direct deposit. Your readers just see ads. They never know who owns the site, and your email list runs under your brand name. Every subscriber sees the brand, not your real name. Social media is optional, but it can accelerate growth. Create accounts under your brand name, use a logo or generated avatar as your profile picture. Pinterest is especially powerful for anonymous blogs. No face required. Many anonymous blogs drive hundreds of thousands of visitors from Pinterest alone. The biggest mistake anonymous bloggers make is mixing personal and brand accounts. If you retweet your anonymous blog from your real account, that's a trail. Same email, trail. Same browser session, trail. Keep everything completely separate. It takes 5 minutes to set up and you do it once. Here's what this looks like in practice. A blogger starts a site called The Quiet Investor. No name, no face, just a logo. After 8 months of consistent posting, they have 15,000 monthly visitors. Mediavine ads bring in 500 to 800 a month. Affiliate commissions add 300 to 500. A $27 PDF brings in another 200 to 400. Total, $1,000 to $1,700 a month. No face ever shown. No real name ever published. Here's your action plan. Pick your niche and brand name. Create a brand email. Register your domain with WOZ Privacy. Sign up for hosting with your brand email. Install WordPress and write your first 3 posts. Set up affiliate accounts in your niche and build your email list from day one. That's the full system. The only thing separating anonymous blogs that make money from ones that don't is consistent content and enough time for Google to rank it. Start now, stay consistent, and stay private. Check out the playbook at wealthdiagram.com for the full step-by-step system. And like and subscribe for more content like this.